what's up, and welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone is good. So, guys, today we're going to, I decided to try the much talked about popular Dalgona coffee that has been going around the internet. If you don't know what Dalgona coffee is, it is basically whipped coffee. So, yeah, basically, what you need is just instant coffee. Any instant coffee will do for this recipe. I am using Nescafe. I'm using actually three sachets. Three sachets of this Nescafe coffee gave me 1 tablespoon of it. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. To that 1 tablespoon of instant coffee, I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. So yeah, you need 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. It doesn't really matter. All you just need to know is you need to use equal amounts of coffee, water, and sugar. So if you're using 2 tablespoons of coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of water. So yeah, so here I added 1 tablespoon of lukewarm water. It can be cold water if you want. I am using lukewarm water. So once all three ingredients are mixed together, I'm just going to keep whipping the coffee till it becomes thick and it changes color to what it is right now. So guys, you're supposed to whip this coffee till it's like thick and like form stiff peaks. But guys, this is exercise. Just using the hand whisk alone was real exercise. So I just had to pause as long as it was thick and I was satisfied with that. So anyways, let's prepare this coffee. So here I have quarter or three-quarter glass cup of milk. So basically I just used powdered milk, 1 tablespoon of powdered milk and water, because I'm lactose intolerant, so I don't really like a lot of milk. But if you want yours really creamy, go ahead, do what you want. So I have a three-quarter glass of milk here. So I added a teaspoon of vanilla essence into it. That is optional. You can choose not to add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. So now I'm just adding a tablespoon of melted peanut butter. Guys, this is also optional. You do not need to add peanut butter, but I wanted to experiment and just play around with this recipe. So yeah, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. So now I am just going to top up the milk with my whipped coffee. Like guys, like I said, you need to whip this coffee till it becomes stiff, like it gives you stiff peaks. But I got tired, like it's real exercise having to whip this coffee. So anyways, um I think it still came out nice. So yeah, once I am done topping it up with the whipped coffee, I'm just going to take a little Ovaltine. You can choose to add cocoa powder if you have cocoa powder. Top it up with cocoa powder, or you can add some like maybe melted chocolate, anything that tickles your fancies, just to make it look nice. And this is my Dalgona coffee, guys. What do you think? I think it looks nice. I am just going to try out this coffee now. We could be more. Okay, guys, moment of truth. Let us experiment and try this coffee. So because the whipped coffee is like really, really thick, you have to like mix everything. You can't drink it alone. If not, you're just going to drink like milk and everything separately. So you have to like mix the full coffee together, and then you can now enjoy your Dalgona coffee. So yeah. So wait, yeah, wait. Can you even hold me? Guys, this is not bad. Like, and I can taste the peanut butter and everything. Oh my goodness. It tastes like creamy, frothy. I don't even know the kind of names. Like, you can taste the peanut butter, you can taste the vanilla in the milk, you can taste everything. Oh my god, guys, this is so nice. Honestly, I don't think this is something that should be taken every day, because it clearly feels it's going to be addictive. For someone like me that is a coffee lover, I would definitely want to be taking this every day. So this is just a once in a blue moon type of drink. So guys, this is my trial of the Dalgona coffee. If you do try it, or if you've tried it before, please let me know in the comment section what you thought about it. I clearly love it. Like, it is bomb, and it's like you can either take it hot or cold. I am taking mine cold, but yeah, and you can add, I think you can add some ice in it. I like that it's not too sweet, and it's not too, because the milk I used, I didn't add any sugar in it. You can always opt to, raise your sugar content if you don't love like coffee that much. So yeah, the only sugar that is in here is the sugar from the coffee mix, but aside from that, there is no other added sugar in it. So guys, and the addition of peanut butter is actually optional. You can choose not to add peanut butter if you don't want to. I just felt like experimenting, because all the recipes I've been seeing have been like plain, so I felt like experimenting and doing my own spin on this Dalgona recipe. So yeah, you can decide to opt from adding peanut butter to yours. You can, I don't know, experiment. It's coffee, you can always do what you want. And then the Ovaltine, you can always replace it with like maybe cocoa powder or chocolate, melted chocolate or whatever. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, don't forget to share, and if you've tried this recipe before, if you've tried the Dalgona recipe before, please comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Until my next video guys, stay blessed, stay beautiful, bye.